Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a waterfall chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a waterfall chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile, it's just going to show in this video. So first I just going to select the values. I just typed about the clock, watches and cable count. So just click on this option, just change the to insert option and just go to the chart option. Here just swipe to the bottom section, you can find an option called waterfall. Click on this waterfall, you can find one of the template have waterfall chart, actually having one. Click on this waterfall, so it will be inserted. Now you can just keep the waterfall. You can see it's like a waterfall, like increase decrease like that. You can just change the layout like this, so you can have a lot of different layouts like this with a super detailed. So you can just select any one of those, and you can just also change the multiple colors. And also you can just change the layout as I said, so you will have a different layout with the different colors, so you with the details also. So if you just need to change the style of the layout, you can find this layout. So here you can change the layout style. It have a lot of different styles to have a detailed layout like this, and you can also choose the different colors for this if you just need it. So this is how you just create a waterfall chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.